Plastic is a synthetic material made from polymers that are derived from petroleum and natural gas, and the manufacturing process begins with extracting crude oil or natural gas, which is then refined to produce ethylene and propylene, key building blocks for plastics, followed by polymerization, where these monomers are chemically bonded together to form large chains known as polymers, which can then be processed into various forms including sheets, films, and molded products. After polymerization, the plastic is further processed through methods such as extrusion, where it is melted and forced through a die to create specific shapes, or injection molding, where melted plastic is injected into molds to form complex shapes, followed by cooling and solidifying, which gives the plastic its final form. And finally, these products undergo a quality check to ensure they meet safety and performance standards before they are packaged and sent out for use. In addition to new production, plastic recycling plays a crucial role in managing waste and reducing environmental impact, where used plastics are collected, sorted by type, cleaned, and then processed through methods such as shredding and remelting to create recycled pellets, which can be reintroduced into the manufacturing process to produce new plastic items, thus creating a circular economy and minimizing reliance on virgin materials while addressing global plastic pollution challenges. To address the growing concerns over plastic waste, researchers are developing biodegradable plastics made from natural materials such as corn starch or sugarcane, which undergo chemical processes that allow them to break down more easily in the environment. And by comparing these innovative materials to traditional plastics, we can visualize significant differences in their degradation rates, providing potential solutions to reduce the environmental footprint of plastic products while promoting sustainability.